So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can switch to full screen mode while working on a project on Blender. So it could be more convenient for you to work on a project, like if you are working on a complex project, you may want to take a look on the smallest details. So you can do that easily if you are using the Blender on the full screen window. So first of all, you need to do to just simply open the Blender on whatever device that you have been using. For example, if I open it on my Windows device, now this is my Blender workspace. If you all have been used the Blender, you all have been familiar with this. Now to switch to the full screen window, all you need to do is to just simply on the leftmost corner you're going to find for these 4-5 options, and here this one says window. Just simply click there, and here you're going to see this option of toggle window full screen. When you click there, now you're gonna see this is the full screen version of this Blender. Now you can work easily over the project without any disturbance. Even you're not gonna find the taskbar below or anything else. You can easily work on your projects on the full screen window. So by this method you can easily toggle the full screen window over the Blender software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.